Jeez. Noah, you made it, dude.
Awesome, dude.
You ready to go climb?
Yeah, let's go fucking do it.
Woo! So we just got to the spot where Noah knows enough to go climb. Noah, are you ready to go climb? Are you ready? You ready?
Oh, dude, this is like my stomping ground.
Oh, this is Noah's stomping ground. This is on, dude! I'm gonna put the camera away, load everything in bags, and we're gonna get to the climbing spot. A lot of people are climbing for Mother's Day weekend, so see what we can get up to. Ow! Supposedly this is home territory. I've never climbed up here, but it looks pretty sick. We're doing a little crack climb. Noah says 5'7", homie over here says 5'10". We'll see.
Maybe even a 5'6", man. It's not that hard. It's just a good warm up.
All right.
Especially for, you know,
Let's get after it. All right, we're about to get on the wall. Leo and Ellie are kind of doing their own little rock climbing. They make me nervous. You make me nervous too. Oh. Ellie, don't eat that French. Yo, your dog's eating a tree, dude.
Dude, I'm fucking stoked. Are you ready?
I'm born ready. Woo!
I'm about to climb this here rock.
Alright, Noah's going for it.
So if you don't know.
Alright, we made it to the top of the climb. We're just in the wall right here. Hey, Noah! Woo! Clean the two quick draws off. Got myself retied in. Then I'm gonna clean the climb going down. Noah's getting on belay. This is sick! Yeah! The full day of climbing. Got the drone up in the air, super stoked on that, and it was a good day. Ethan Roberts and Curtis Downs hit me up to go ride some e-bikes, so we're gonna head over to the local bike park called I Street and session there, so see you guys there. Woo!
Bring mixed matching gloves.
You're on, dude.
Trail hat, and you're good to go.
Hey dog, he's on, dude.
All on. Game on.
Ready to ride some e-bikes?
Yeah, dude, always ready.
Alright, let's go play. Oh!
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I told her with shorty, she bagging the bucket, and I'ma need all of my dollars on.
What just happened? I think I landed without my feet or hands on the pedals. That was insane. Ethan's up.
First of all, F you, bro.
That was a dumb last minute mistake.
We're supposed to be out here just having fun. Next minute, you're cliffhanger in some bullcrap step up.
Just like dangling from the bars.
Alright, we're just at I Street. I'm on the Ronin. I kind of hopped off the bike and got on the camera gear because Curtis and Ethan are both professional athletes, so might as well get really good content. Hey Ethan, what are you doing?
Well, the bike's a little bit heavier than anticipated. Need to put a little bit more air pressure in there.
Bottom out?
This thing's straight out of the box.
We're testing it for him today.
I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. Fuck all the pictures, dimensions. I don't with your digits, I mean it, I'm staying inside. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it.